Welcome to Larry's RC room. Hey, today we're going to test this Apeman in a dark setting with this Harbor Freight 99-cent LED. The camera settings are great at 720p and 120 frames per second. My iris is set up at 2 and the exposure is set at auto, but it's kind of dark yet, and I really don't like how vivid the image is, so I went back in to the camera settings and I reset it. Well, you might be wondering why I'm posting this video. Well, after my last night run with my Panda hobby and my grandson, I was not very happy with that video at all. So I've been looking for a light attachment or a new camera that will shoot for night videos, and I found some on Amazon for the lights, but I also seen this at Harbor Freight, and I said, well, why don't we try this and see what we can do with this Apeman. Of course, I had found some other cameras that was available on Amazon too that would do night vision, but most of them shot black and white night vision. I want full color. So my Apeman, I'm hoping, will pick up these colors with the settings that it has available. And I'm almost sure that I can create something with this 99-cent light and this Apeman. I looked around at all the camera settings, and I changed it to a rate of 1080p, 60 frames per second, changed my iris back to a 1, but I increased my exposure to 1800. So my exposure level and the 1080p, 60 frames per second, I think was the key there. The colors and everything looks so much vivider. So leave me a comment if you would, and let me know what you think settings should be for shooting at night with an Apeman a79-4k.